Hi everyone, by everyone I mean 2 people. Welcome back to my channel, which doesn't exist. This is Vlogging with Corinne. Today I'm going to show you how I do my makeup. This is very exciting because I don't know how to do makeup. Well, let's get started, shall we? So first you need pink foundation. Do I even have any foundation? That's the real question. That's not foundation. Oh, here we go. Okay, so here's some foundation. Oh, that was thunder. It's called BB foundation. So you put some on your hand and you test to see if it's your color. It's my color. So then, I think you get some sponges or something. You put it on your face somehow. I don't think I have any of that, so I'm just gonna use my hand. Oh, maybe that's not my color. Oh well, we've already started. Uh-oh. I'm almost out of this foundation. Okay, so part of me has some foundation on it. Here's some more foundation. We'll use that to finish the rest of my face. Oh, I didn't test this one. Oh gosh, that is not my color. Just have to blend it in really well. Oh, I forgot to put on my special headband. This is my hair. My headband. It's just in my bathroom. This hair look is oh no, it's in my eyebrow. Oh my gosh. I look freaking, I don't even know what I look like. Oompa Loompa? That's not that bad, but it's also not that great. So part of putting on foundation is you need to make sure like your neck matches your face. So you want to like blend it. So you just take it and rub it and make sure you get it everywhere. Some more on the nose and under the eyes and then above the eyes. Okay, I definitely look orange. Ah, it's in my eye. Crap. Okay, it's streaky down here. So you put on more. Just like that. And that's how you put on, oh fuck. And that's how you put on foundation. We're looking good. And after foundation, you want to put on concealer. Maybe you wanted to put that on before, but I didn't. So, you get your concealer. Don't know what it does or how to use it. But what I just do is I just put it under my eyes like that. And then you rub that in. And then I think you're supposed to put on your nose to make it look skinnier or something. I don't know. Oh, maybe put it near the eyebrow. That might look good. I'm so orange. Don't make yourself all orange. Oh my gosh, I do not want to do that. That looks so bad. So next we're gonna do some highlighter. That's not highlighter. This is liquid illuminator. Or I think you put some here. Oh gosh. Here and then here. I'm gonna put some on my nose. Because I think you want a shiny nose. Oh, now it's shiny. Looks like I'm highlighted. I don't see a difference. Do you? Put on blush. I have lots of blushes actually. Oh, bronzer. We forgot the bronzer. And I actually have a brush for this, if I can find it. So next we have bronzer. Don't put the face powder on before the bronzer. We'll put bronzer on next. Has it been doing anything? And then don't forget about the neck, people. You gotta blend. So by blending, you just go like that. And remember, all the way to the edges of the face. You don't want lines. Lines are bad. Foundation in my eyelashes. Alright, I think this is bronzer, right? Now we can put on the face powder. I guess I have to bend the brush this way. There we go. There's enough crap on my face now. What comes next? Blush. Yeah. Maybe I should clean this brush in between, but I'm just gonna wipe it on my leg. So you take your brush and you go boop, 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 and then you just go. I think you're supposed to suck in your cheeks, so it's sucking. You want people to know that you're still alive after you've made your face one pale solid color. Now maybe the eyebrows. Put this in my eyebrows. Oh, it's coloring them brown. I was just putting goop in them. Do you see a difference? Because I don't. Oh my gosh. So we have this brow goop in my eyes. I don't know if I'm gonna be using that again. It's whatever. What is this? It's like a foundation stick. Bruh. I could have used this foundation stick, but I didn't know I had it. What you're gonna want to do now is move on to the eyes, I guess. I'm so bad at eyeshadow. I lost it. For someone who doesn't use makeup, I have so much of it. Okay, so as you can see, I don't know anything about makeup, but eyeshadow, I really don't know anything about. Like, I don't know. I have this naked palette, I guess it's called. I don't know. So I guess I want to look naked. They're all boring colors. Those aren't very exciting. Alright, let's look at this palette. So we have a lot of colors here. We have all the colors. What about a blue? A blue could be fun. Actually, not blue. Not blue. I don't know. This is so hard. I'm gonna take this sparkly-ish orange one. That one. I'm just gonna close my eye. Put it right on. And then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. And the key is to do both eyes at the same time. Otherwise, they'll end up being different. You know what? I don't think orange is the right color for this. Let's do some brown. Add some sparkly brown to the top of this. Oh, now that looks good. On the top of this one. Oh boy. Okay, that does not look good. Definitely got some severe smoky eye. Oh my gosh. That doesn't look good. Let's stop doing that. My handy dandy roll-on sparkle eyeshadow. And close your eyes and just roll it right on. Just shine me all over. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, then you have to put that much on the other eye. I feel like, I know that you're not supposed to go all the way up to your eyebrow, but you know what? It'll look better once I have mascara on. I love being sparkly. And then you're gonna do mascara or maybe eyeliner. Should I do eyeliner or mascara? Well, I'm not very good at eyeliner, so we're gonna skip the eyeliner step, but we'll do a fun little something with this eyeliner. Just get ready. Where is it? So now I got some cute little star stamps. Adorable. Yeah. So now we need some mascara. Maybe I should curl my eyelashes. Let's curl the eyelashes. Oh my goodness. I don't see a difference. CoverGirl. Clump Crusher. Great. Great stuff. And I think we all know how to put on mascara, but you still can't see that I have eyelashes. Just knocked over my foundation. Very nice, very nice. Uh-oh, there's a clump. Let's try a different mascara. Total Temptation by Maybelline New York. Love it. Uh-oh, got it on my eyebrow. That smells good. Lips. Yeah. Let's try a new one. Let's try a red one. I like red. Actually, no, let's not do that one. If I could find it. No. No, it was not that one. Well, I seem to have lost the one I used earlier. So we're gonna take this soft matte. Oh, I don't like that color. Okay, we're not gonna use this one. No, let's not use that one. Oh, I hate this color. I don't want to use that one either, though. So we're gonna go back to this red one. That's red. Oh my god, that is really red. Well, I don't think I could go out in public looking like this. I think that's it. So remember our steps. When doing your makeup, you do concealer first, then what do you call it? Foundation. Concealer, foundation, highlighter, bronzer, face powder, blush. Did I say highlighter? Eyebrows, eyeshadow, mascara, and then oops. And so yeah, in the end, you'll get this great look. And if you really want to complete the look, you can take your hair down. And then you can look like some goddess. Like, wow, I just look spectacular right now. This has been Makeup Tutorials with Corinne. Thanks for tuning in. Oh gosh, what is happening?